Is it time to buy or sell D-Wave Quantum stock? In this video, we're diving deep into D-Wave Quantum. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 9th of June, 2025. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 8th of May, 2025, our system has ranked D-Wave Quantum as a hold or accumulate, giving it a score of 0.89. Let's examine the stock's performance during this period. During this time, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of 72.26% since we initially recommended purchasing D-Wave Quantum just 22 days ago. This equates to an average return of 3.28% per day since it was categorized as hold or accumulate. The stock is positioned in the midst of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, with indications of further increases within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 105.69% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 21.96% to 139.69%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 188.76%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 26.65% to 215.40% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $22.73 and $56.61. Our latest daily update for D-Wave Quantum includes the headline, D-Wave Quantum Inc. stock downgraded to hold accumulate. The D-Wave Quantum Inc. stock price decreased by 3.6% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 9th of June, 2025, falling from $18.62 to $17.95. During that day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 7.08%, with a low of $17.66 and a high of $18.91. The price has increased in 5 of the last 10 days, yet it remains down by 4.52% over this period. The trading volume also decreased on the last day, which in fact is a positive indicator, as volume should align with the stock's movements. On that day, the trading volume fell by 25 million shares, totaling 55 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $980,790,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $19.77, while the lowest was 75 cents. Currently, the price is 9.18%, or $1.82, below the 52-week high of $19.77, which is also the all-time high for this stock. D-Wave Quantum, trading under the symbol QBTS, has recently captured significant investor attention, notably soaring by more than 1,200% after achieving a breakthrough in real-world quantum computing applications. This remarkable performance demonstrates the tangible advancements being made in quantum technology, which could solidify D-Wave's position in the rapidly evolving tech sector. The company's Advantage 2 system has garnered traction in enterprise use, reinforcing confidence in its operational capabilities. In the past year alone, shares of QBTS have surged by more than 1,100%, showcasing its potential as a wealth-generating asset in the technology landscape. The growing recognition of quantum computing's disruptive potential continues to drive interest, with experts highlighting that it may offer more long-term promise than traditional assets, including cryptocurrencies, which are often influenced by market speculation. Notably, D-Wave has attracted investment from prominent sources, including the second-largest United States pension fund. This institutional backing suggests a bullish long-term outlook on the company's growth trajectory. Given the current favorable economic indicators coupled with the artificial intelligence revolution, QBTS is positioned favorably in a market leaning toward technology stocks. Short-term volatility in the broader market has not affected QBTS to the same extent, hinting at investor confidence and the likelihood of continued momentum. As interest in quantum computing expands, the stock could see both continued volatility and potential appreciation, making it a noteworthy consideration for long-term investors looking for high-growth opportunities in a transforming technological landscape. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 14th of January, 2025, it was reported that B. Riley assigned QBTS a buy rating alongside a hold action. On Wednesday, the 24th of July, 2024, B. Riley again rated QBTS as buy, with an initialize action. On Tuesday, the 14th of May, 2024, Needham assigned a buy rating to QBTS, accompanied by a hold action. On the same date, Piper Sandler rated QBTS as overweight with a hold action. Additionally, on that Tuesday, Benchmark also rated QBTS with a buy grade and a hold action. Analysts have assigned D-Wave Quantum stock a general strong sell rating. They have rated the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. For return on investment, the analysts have also given the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for D-Wave Quantum. D-Wave Quantum Inc. stock presents strong buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is an overall buy signal indicated by the relationship between these averages, as the short-term average is above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, there will be support at levels of $17.43 and $12.16. A break below either of these points will trigger sell signals. Some negative signals have also been noted, which may impact near-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top on Thursday, May 22, 2025, resulting in a decline of 5.72% thus far. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. The trading volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which helps to mitigate overall risk as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 12 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 80 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 23 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 23 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 24 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 34 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 153 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for D-Wave Quantum. D-Wave Quantum Incorporated finds support from accumulated volume at $17.55. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock is likely to experience significant movement throughout the day, exhibiting high volatility, and due to a broad prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band, it is classified as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $1.25 between its high and low, amounting to a 7.08% change. In the past week, the stock has demonstrated an average daily volatility of 8.93%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for D-Wave Quantum, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest ongoing profitability issues and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 14th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at -7 cents. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for D-Wave Quantum. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for D-Wave Quantum is at $18.62. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, D-Wave Quantum encounters its first support level at $17.55. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for D-Wave Quantum from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's take a closer look at some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by Diane N. Gen, who bought and sold 144,017 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 30.135. Overall, insiders purchased 45,739,834 shares and sold 87,114,739 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $17.10, reflecting a decline of 4.75%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a high level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal indicated by a pivot top identified 11 days ago. Is D-Wave Quantum stock a good buy? D-Wave Quantum Incorporated holds several positive signals. However, we do not find these to be sufficient for a buy recommendation at this time. Currently, it is best viewed as a hold or accumulate candidate while we await further developments. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical outlook, we have revised our analysis from a strong buy to a hold or accumulate recommendation since our last evaluation. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our system suggests that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 10th of June, we anticipate D-Wave Quantum to open higher by 22 cents and commence trading at $18.17. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions related to the buying or selling of securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.